Alright, kind of came up with a new groove, thought I'd, record it and put it up on YouTube. This basically comes from a Swiss Army triplet, right? Swiss Army triplet. Except it's inverted. Inverted Swiss Army triplet, and the parts are split between your right hand and right foot. So your right hand is playing while your left foot, or right foot, is playing. Right? So, yeah. There you go.